whether centralized or decentralized superdelegate election. The General Secretary of the party, Justin Kodia Esquire, Yentie Ezali, na Uba Facebook page, just a sina, man for a church of placards, and 70 binye, more Facebook page. Also, Mr. President, leave the good legacy of NPP. 87.9. Mr. President, for the first time, listen to the grassroots. Just a whole lot of placards. I have church or so. Impression by and I know I'm creative, but yet just in Korea.
Was with respect to the venue to hold the special electoral college. After debate among ourselves, National Council came to the conclusion that the precedent in 2014 should stand, which means that the special delegate college will be held at the various regions, except for one that will be held at the headquarters for national officers, external branches, and members of the National Council. Aside that, National Council also caution our aspirants and by extension their campaign supporters or members that it has taken notice of several unsavory, several vituperative for discussion was with respect to the venue to hold the special electoral college. After debate among ourselves, National Council came to the conclusion that the precedent in 2014 should stand, which means that the special delegate college will be held at the various regions, except for one that will be held at the headquarters for national officers.
Akoma FM 87.9
National Council of Elders. Aside that, too, National Council also caution our aspirants and by extension their campaign supporters or members that it has taken notice of several unsavory, several vituperative and intemperate language.
Okay, anyway, the General Secretary of the NPP. Now, one of delegates ni be ni nipa bi e kokopi ho. Yentie. Therefore, over Facebook page, very, very charged atmosphere. Team.
We are coming from various constituencies in Greater Accra,
87.9 Kumasi,
and we are here to send a message.
Are you a card-bearing member? Are you an executive of the party?
Yes, I am in Odododio. Yes, I am. I've been a police station chairman for almost 12 years in Odododio alone, and I've been working for the party extensively. We are here. We have information that National Executive Committee is meeting today to discuss matters concerning the party and that of the super delegates, and we have information that they are trying to decentralize the process by way of doing it, and we are not in favor of that. We are not in support of that, and so we are here to send a message, or if you like, to appeal that they should not consider that. You can see, as for the pictures, everybody is there. We are party people, basically. We are not in support of any of the candidates. Individuals may have their own support base. I'm not concerned about that. We are party people sending a message, basically. NPP people. Me, myself, I have my own support. But as for the group, we are pushing the cause of NPP. Any of the aspirants may have their concerns, and it is up to them. We as a group, we think that this is what should be. That they should not consider decentralizing the process. Already we have a problem as a party. Yes, we have a problem as a party. Our leaders, they have shown open bias, and this is open secret. One of the aspirants, I'm not here to mention anybody's name, but you are Ghanaian and you have your ears on the ground. They have shown open bias for one of the aspirants. If you keep on doing things like this, people will think that you are doing things in favor of that. What we are saying is that they should do things fairly, so that it will leave no doubt in the minds of anybody. Whoever wins is our leader. They should do it properly, so that nobody will have issues with what they are doing.
Okay. This is a very interesting scene. Oshe party members ni be say omo leaders no show open bias. Na yankwa umaso na yene Mr. Amwa, popularly known as Love Enterprise, ono one of the leading campaign team managers at the Alan Kojo Chiramaten Obanikase mame mu achimo akwa bamra Akoma FM. Bibi abako de.
Onyame adum bi abako.
Good. Na
Akoma FM
kokosia
87.9 Kumasi.
Enya de am proposals on timiji tumu. Then am arrive on that decision.
On se o mo koye no.
Yeah.
Enyana mi no mo de ko two tables so. First one, 1 man 5 votes. What that one means is say we have let's see you 5 no. Obi akwa be take na ope. And say they are normally classroom elections in those area no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah, second where does it be decentralized?
No, me ba yentena first one no. Me nyanti ase. First one 1 man 5 votes.
And
no saying. Say no your proposal from the NEC national executive and I say proposal from the aspirants.
From the NEC.
Obi akwa take saying what me nyanti ase.
On the you know, we take it there. We operate.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Elections bitter.
Yeah. Okay.
No, how far the you know now what ticket. Because over 2 movie 5 people no. You open their own opinion now.
Oh, okay. Because you have first 5. And in one answer Kokwa take a first 5 we agree. Okay. Matter the matter. The 1 man 5 votes.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, and now we table the second one no other centralized or decentralized.
Akoma FM 87.9.
And now there's a president 2014 though that one particular is not in the constitution, but I hear presidents we are accepted. And now, as who did you in the last year to Aban? I can hear to Aban. As you really know, it should have been a secret ballot. That will be an answer for me and Kyle. Now, I win. And then I echo see. Jema Uma Mutasmashi. But the danger what studying more, it is a yes, and say. Adiana is skewed to one person, as in person has to was a plan. Now I can hear that woman knew many of no more air fall, almost reference. Now, of course, I said not to cry, they wouldn't get to cry.
Hanum na ho.
And they get to cry.
Okay.
No more monitor. So that what you said in we are no much I was doing more. And now monitor, but
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
is not yet lost. You might in the American in the say, may I even look at the host and say, I'm sure you cry not you are more young, the past year. I hear another Amazon. Congress now more Congress. I heard an Amazon.
Are they?
So, being above you disaster on Qua, never in the Barrier 5 disaster on Qua. You are more in a
Martin Kofobinuma or more. Yes, I'm here, Monko.
But I didn't hear the Bible brave. I said the Bible brave, as far as the way I said, the people in line from the establishment. It's becoming to them. It's become very annoying and I'll say ya not you more who give me a canamas. Yet they now we never no more. You don't go so no. But in America, now nothing can change the plans of God. Nothing can change. Ghana Yakuma on Hopa, the right thing. The Omo goes on we are not there. Because how say much more to a back. Much 6,000, much more congregated 6,000 people. Oh, one place, it's not to a nice successful. Then the less than 900. Then there's will be out to the way because presidents or half. Probably another boy, no. A very easier, cheaper, and transparent. No, what you am to know? Then got to we. So, Kaya, yeah, to about a year or two regional congress. So, no, I'm got to way.
RCC.
87.9.
And then we sorry, see, I did about a debut.
Yeah.
We are going to RCC what they are. We are called a regional minister or no, or only campaign manager for Bawia.
MMDCs.
Women, yeah, who will lie. And then go for who will lie. Now, we are going to whom fee. I'm going to whom fee. I tell me what you do. I'm going to about whom fee. You will do another here now. You're going to have for you. But you're going to have to say for you now. You have to put them. The busy that. See, I got trouble with me. This is no more contract. What can this do?
This is the room. I think MP mum na na wa nya kwayanko.
Sorry, I'm being American. Now I'm can you imagine?
So we are threat. We are threat to the process. They are do be sinche.
So in this case, no, what are they planning to do? Some people you are regional administration or not. Even say we say we go run because we are matter. Yeah, we will go. And you're fine. That is it.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So Yama, on the department don't with you money. So we are open bias. Many people say no, you know. More, but Nakuma Bekasa. That's what I say.
Now, yam share